So DeWalt sent us some cool new little tools. When I say little, I mean little. So this is their new 9-foot pocket tape measure. There is no belt clip. It actually has a magnet on it that allows me to store it somewhere that has steel. Now, what's cool about this little tape measure is, one, it's rubber overmolded. It'll fit right in your pocket and has all the functions of your bigger tapes. So this guy has a lock on it, so you can actually lock it into a measurement. And also, it's 9 feet long. That matters because how big is your standard sheet goods here? 4 by 8. So in a pinch, you can measure out most of your standard basic building materials. These go for $8.99 at Acme Tools, and it comes with a lifetime limited warranty. Next up, I have a 25-foot tape measure, so a little bit bigger guy here. Has a nice pocket clip on the back. Does come with a tape that actually has fractional measurements on it. And that matters maybe for the new guy on the job that, hasn't really learned what his 16th, eighths, and quarter-inch measurement marks are. In betweens are the fractional measurements actually listed out on the tape. So really handy for that. But also what I really like is the back side of the blade is also marked. So now it's not just the front side, back side. The blade does come with a wear-resistant coating and nice rubber mold on the outside, lock up here, but also maybe my favorite feature is this. When I'm pulling this tape out, I can adjust that speed of the tape coming in with this finger lock right here. So what that allows me to do is extend that tape out. I'm taking a measurement, I can adjust where that is, not lose my spot because my finger locks it in place. Now if I want a little more stronger lock, I can actually use the front lock, and now it locks that in place as well. These have a limited lifetime warranty, $17.99 at Acme Tools, and they're available now. The last thing they sent me was this. This is part of their Tough Series. So this is their Tough Series chalk reel. It comes with a 4-ounce bottle of red chalk, and if you know red sticks, all right? What I really like about this is it has a 6-to-1 fast rewind. It's also all metal. This case on this is all metal. It's easy to access the inside. Just turn this quarter turn, open the top up, and now I can actually go ahead and dump my chalk inside of here without issue. Quarter turn and I'm back. Now the other thing that's nice on here, there's actually a place to store the hook. So open this up here and pull that out. And now when I bring this all the way in, I actually have a place to store that hook right on the top of the tip up here. So it's not gonna get caught in other things. It's not gonna get stuck on tools in your tool bag like my current one does. Other feature is it actually has braided line. So it has 1mm braided line. So super strong, but not only that, super small. So you can actually get a really precise measurement. When you put this out, mark your line, it's gonna be a really fine line, which really matters. So bring that in. So it's a 6-to-1 ratio on reeling this in. So for one turn of this, I'm bringing the line in 6 times further. So very fast reel in on there. We have a neutral button right here. We push that down and it actually lets us free spool this so we can just pull it out. And also we have a locking feature so we can actually lock in. If we're using this as a plumb bob or something like that, I can actually lock it in by this little lever right there. So I can lock that in place and it stays put. Now, as soon as I unlock it, I'm free spooling again. So go ahead and reel that in. Again, what I like about it, all metal case. It actually has a single screw on the back as well. I can open this cover up, swap my line very easily. And this guy is going for $18.99 at Acme Tools. Comes with a limited lifetime warranty as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do that so you don't forget or miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.